Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today in basic science, we are going to be learning about energy. Okay? Our topic for today in basic science is on energy. Are you ready for the lesson? Okay, so first we're going to be looking at the meaning of energy. Energy is the ability to do work or cause a change. It comes in various forms and can be transformed from one form to another. Energy is essential for all the activities and processes that occur in the universe. Okay? Energy is the power that lets things happen. It's what makes objects move, keeps us warm, and powers our devices. Okay? Do we understand? Energy can come in different forms, and it's also important for everything we do. Okay? So we're going to be looking at the sources of energy. Sources of energy. Sources of energy refer to the places or things from which we get the power to do various tasks. Okay? One source of energy, fossil fuels. These include coal, oil, and natural gas. They are formed from the remains of ancient plants and animals and are burned to release energy. So fossil fuels are things like coal, oil, and natural gas that comes from ancient plants and animals. We burn them to get energy. Okay? Renewable energy. These sources can be replenished and are more sustainable. Examples include solar, wind, hydroelectric, and geothermal energy. Renewable energy, these sources won't run out, okay? Like solar, sun energy, wind, water, hydroelectric. They are good for the environment. Okay? So renewable energy, this energy is from things that won't run out, like the sun, wind, and water. Nuclear energy. This is generated through nuclear reactions, such as nuclear fission in power plants. Okay? This energy comes from special reactions in atomic power plants. Do we understand? Nuclear energy. This energy is from special reactions in atomic power plants. Biomass energy is derived from organic materials like wood, crop residues, and animal waste. So biomass energy is made from organic things like wood, crop leftovers, and waste. Okay? Hydrogen. Hydrogen can be used as a clean energy source, often produced through Electrolysis. Hydrogen. We can use hydrogen as a clean energy source. So these are the sources of energy. Okay, the places where we get energy from: fossil fuels, renewable energy, nuclear energy, biomass energy, and hydrogen. Okay, do we understand? And choosing our sources of energy, it is important to choose sources that are good for the planet, okay? Good. So next we're going to be looking at the forms of energy. Forms of energy. This means the different ways that energy can appear or show itself, okay? Think of it as many types of energy. Do we understand that? So we're going to be looking at forms of energy. 1. Kinetic energy. This is the energy of motion. For example, a moving car or a running person has kinetic energy. Okay? So kinetic energy is energy from things that are moving, like a car or a person running. Okay? 2. Potential energy. This is energy stored in an object due to its position or condition. An example is a ball held above the ground. Potential energy. Energy stored in things because of their position, like a ball held up high. Okay? Thermal energy. The energy associated with the temperature of an object. It's what you feel when you touch a hot stove. Thermal energy, the warmth you feel when something is hot, like a stove. Do we understand? Good. Chemical energy. Energy stored in the bonds of chemical compounds. It's released during chemical reactions, like in burning fuels. Energy stored in things that can be released during chemical reactions, like when you're burning something. Okay? Chemical energy. Do we understand? Good. Electrical energy. The energy carried by the flow of electric charge, as in the electricity powering your devices. Electrical energy. Energy from the flow of electricity. Okay? Like what powers your devices. Light energy. Energy carried by electromagnetic waves, like sunlight or the light from a light bulb. Light energy. Energy from things like sunlight or light bulbs. Okay? Good. Sound energy. The energy produced by vibrating objects, which we hear as sound. Okay? Sound energy. Energy from things vibrating, which we hear as sound. So these are the forms of energy: kinetic energy, potential energy, thermal energy, chemical energy, electrical energy, light energy, sound energy. All these are forms of energy, okay? Do we understand? Good. So today's lesson on energy, we understood everything, right? We did, right? We looked at the meaning of energy, sources of energy, and forms of energy. Okay, so next we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure you're going to be able to do your assignment, right? Okay, it's easy, right? Good.